Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today we will learn how to automate DOS commands using batch files. Okay, and also how to create a batch file and also how to run multiple DOS commands automatically. Okay, in my last video of DOS command series, we learned basic DOS commands. Now, instead of typing DOS commands again and again, we can automate them using batch files. Okay, batch file is a text file contains multiple DOS commands and executes line by line automatically. Okay, so go to the computer screen, step by step. I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's get started. Hello friends, today I will discuss batch file programming in DOS, right? In my last video of the DOS command series, we learned the basic DOS commands, right? Now, instead of typing DOS commands again and again, we can automate them using batch file, right? Batch file is a text file with .bat extension, contains multiple DOS commands and executes those commands line by line automatically. Okay, so I am moving to the command prompt to run batch file. Okay, so now I am just within the command prompt and in my E drive ML folder. So now at first we open the notepad. So just write notepad and then put the batch file name, suppose ex1.bat, because the batch file extension should be .bat. Okay, and press enter. Now it will open a notepad and here we write the multiple commands which will run automatically line by line, right? Okay, at first we write dir and then suppose we write in that way echo %time %close and then write echo %date and %close. Okay, simple. This command we write, three commands are written into there. So save it, just press Ctrl S and again we go to this prompt and just write the batch file name ex1.bat and press enter. So just see, it will just display the dir command, whatever the directories and files present within the ML folder, and after that it will echo the current time and current date of my system is concerned. Okay, but what happened here, the commands are not hidden, and the next program I just write the multiple DOS commands with hide the commands, means don't show this type of command like dir, the echo the time, echo the date, like that. Okay, so again we go to this particular file and now we write the another program, just write in that way @ and then just write echo off. It means it hides the commands. Okay, and then write the command one after another, just write cls, it will clear the screen, and then suppose we write echo and just write our channel name Technical Arquen, and then suppose we write to create a directory, just write mkdir student and then we enter within that directory. So just write cd student and after that we just echo our system name, means our OS name should display. Okay, and after that we use the another command is called pause, which actually waits for user input. Previous one doesn't wait for the user input, but this batch file will wait for the user input, right? So again we save this file, just press Ctrl S, just go to the command prompt and then again run the batch file, just the same file name ex1.bat, and press enter. Just see, it will clear the screen, then it print technical arcane in the console, and whatever the system you are using for OS is concerned, Windows _NT, and it will wait for the user input. That's why given press any key to continue. If we press enter, so it will just go to particular folder, whatever the folder we are already created here, means whatever the directory we create, and we are actually reside in that directory, right? I hope you have understood how to run multiple commands line by line using batch file. For batch file is concerned, batch file is nothing but a text file with .bat extension. Okay, it contains multiple commands and executes those commands line by line automatically. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.